We want to find the general solution of f capital prime of x equals to 1 over x squared for all x's that are greater than 0. And we want to use it to find the particular solution that satisfies the initial condition capital F of 1 is equal to 0. All right. So if we notice this is capital F of 1, all right, so that means that we need to go ahead and find the antiderivative of this part here. All right, so if we have given that f capital prime of x is equal to 1 over x squared, well, let's take the integral of both sides, all right, with respect to x, the integral of 1 over x squared with respect to x. Well, what is the integral of my function f prime of x with respect to x? Was nothing but just capital F of x. All right, before taking its derivative, all right, and that is equal, well, this one, the integral of x to the negative 2 dx. All right, this is equal to x to the negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 plus c. All right, this step, it might seem really simple, but I recommend the first few times just go ahead and keep writing it. Eventually you'll get really good at it, and then you can skip it, but for now just practice it. All right, and we become 2, this is equal to x to the negative 1 over negative 1 plus c, which is equal to negative 1 over x plus c. All right, what is this? This is our general solution. Why general? Because this graph can be anywhere. All right, let's see what does negative 1 over x plus c looks like. Alrighty, so the red function represents the derivative function, and the blue function represents the integral function. So if we see, in this case, we want to know what should the value of the constant of integration be such that my antiderivative function, all right, goes through that initial condition point that they gave us. All right, it's right there. All right, so what should the value of this constant of integration be? Lucky for us, we can just go ahead and find it algebraically. Well, we know that capital F of 1 is equal to 0. So since we know that capital F of 1 is equal to 0, that means that this is x and this is y. And we know that f of x, capital F of x, is equal to negative 1 over x plus c. All right, and this becomes, then this is my y value. 0 is equal to negative 1 over 1 plus c. 0 is equal to negative 1 plus c, add 1 and add 1, and c is equal to 1. All right, so then what is my particular solution then? My particular solution, f of x is equal to negative 1 over x plus 1. That's the particular solution. All right, actually see this. What should the value of the constant of integration be on our antiderivative function to go through that initial condition? It goes right here. Ta-da! Right here. At 1.